Greetings esteemed clients and subscribers, this is iSun. In this video we will have a very brief and comprehensive review of the L150 bracket for mounting dome surveillance cameras and its various applications and functionalities. What is this bracket used for in detail? This bracket was originally designed specifically for two high-quality surveillance cameras that we offer, and durable. These are the 24 Pro and 240 Pro models. They are dome surveillance cameras with pan-tilt functionality. Those that can only be mounted on the ceiling. But what if you can't mount the surveillance camera on the ceiling? For example, if the ceiling is very high, either there are some communications there or there is a stretch ceiling. And for these purposes, this bracket is purchased, it is mounted on the wall. The high-definition surveillance camera is mounted here. It rotates smoothly. Accordingly, you can have full functionality seamlessly with this surveillance camera. All other ASIN surveillance cameras that we offer and sell are universal, versatile, and seamlessly adaptable. They can be easily and conveniently mounted on both the wall and the ceiling. So it's convenient, but it's not necessary to purchase this bracket. It has a rather narrow, specialized function. It was specifically designed for these two particular models. However, if someone really wants to aesthetically use this particular bracket for various types of surveillance cameras, you definitely also have that option as well. It is quite versatile. There are slots for standard mounts. Additional slots can also be made if desired. The bracket is made of plastic and is suitable for outdoor use. It can be utilized both indoors and outdoors. Inside there is also a groove provided. This means, for instance, you can run the cable inside the bracket itself. If you have any inquiries about it, please ask our managers or kindly write them in the comments under this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss new videos.